Today, the building sector consumes 75% of all electricity produced in the U.S. and is responsible for nearly half of all carbon emissions. Up to 50% of that energy can be wasted on inefficient building operations. As a result, the commercial real estate market is changing. Building energy codes are becoming stricter, and there's a growing demand for more efficient and sustainable properties. So even though existing inefficient buildings can be profitable today, that might not be the case in the future with newer generations of high-performance buildings coming to market, which cost less to operate and command higher rent prices. For real estate portfolios, this means that climate change is presenting both risk and opportunity at the same time. Opportunity to make your business more profitable, valuable, and competitive, while also providing strong returns for investors. However, for those companies without a well-defined efficiency and sustainability program covering their entire portfolio, the risk is great. Without the proper plans and tools in place, money is wasted and time is lost. So not only will this window of opportunity be missed, but you face the risk of losing significant market share and asset valuation. If, however, your company is ready to grow its existing program or does not have one yet altogether, then contact Vert Energy Group to learn how our corporate efficiency program can help maximize your benefits, minimize all risks, and position your company as the poster child for innovative and efficient real estate management and investment practices. To learn more about the corporate efficiency program, contact us to set up a time to talk. We'd be happy to explore some ideas with you to find out if it's a good fit right now for your business. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you get to the next level.